Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video, and this is a Dollar Tree sticker video. It's been a while since I've made one. I've been feeling really just not motivated to craft. I don't know if it's just the summertime and we've been having really hot weather, and I don't know. So I made this quick little card and I thought I'd share with you. I thought it turned out lovely. So let me show you what I used. First off, from Spellbinders, I used these pink 108 self-adhesive crystals. My Spellbinders, love these. And then this cute little honeybee stamps stamping die set is called Big Bold Birthdays. I've used this a ton, and almost maybe to the point of retirement, but it comes with an awesome die to match. And from Dollar Tree, the stickers I used were these pop-up floral stickers. They have a little bit of bling on them, not too much, and when I saw them in the store, I thought they were really pretty. When I go in Dollar Tree now, I don't go in as much as I used to, but I always check out the stickers, and they don't have as many stickers as they used to, or new ones, but I saw these and I thought they were really pretty and wanted to incorporate them on a card. So let me share the card with you. Here it is, and it's just so colorful, and I think the florals on it make it look really pretty, especially with the shine that they have. Can you see? I'm not sure. And like I said, I used the sticker from Honeybee's Big Bold Sentiments, Big Bold Birthday, sorry. And then the little adhesive gems. So I used paper from my stash, which is basil paper, and I did use just a rectangle die to cut out the different layers. And this is my card. This is a 5, I never say that on my videos, but this is a 5x7 card, and I think it turned out really pretty. What do you think? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the views and the wonderful comments. So till next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.